I'm looking at the cordless and waterproof bald head electric razor. It also has a nose hair trimmer and beard trimmer, facial cleansing brush. But mainly interested in the bald head trimmer, as I've had a bald head for over 25 years. Normally shave it with a wet razor. I have used electric razors on it, but a small head is quite difficult, takes a long time. That's the razor. Attachments here. Brush attachment, facial attachment, nose trimmer. I shall give it a charge up, and I've got a couple of days stubble, and I shall give it a try and come back with my review.